Go ahead. Play some worship, Doc. Worship.
Check 1, 2, check 1. All right.
Worship. Hold on, worship, Doc.
Whatever Mike says.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Take us into the holies of holies.
All right, 2, good. Check 1. Check 1, 2, 1. Good.
Can you just give us a little something, Gary?
Check 4, check 4, check 4, check 4, check, check, check. Check, 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 check. Check, 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 check.
You're too dark. We can't see you. You're too dark. Fred Hammond, ladies and gentlemen. Fred Hammond. We're over here in Lexington, Kentucky. Oh, man of God, man of God.
Hey, Daddy.
Give a shout out to the whole world so they can meet my new friend. Here, we'll talk together. This is my boy. This is my boy. Listen, man of God. This is my boy. Want to say something to the whole world?
Hey.
You got 10 seconds to inspire the whole world. Go ahead. You got 10 seconds to inspire the whole world.
Just want to let you know, it's all about Jesus. If you ain't serving him, your life is going to be a mess.
Ah!
So right now, give it all to him. He's worthy.
Call that number at the bottom of the screen, right?
That's right. That's right.
Hallelujah. We worship you.
A flat, please, dog. Yeah, I'm here with my boy Gary Jordan. We're trying to get the sound system under control.
What's up, y'all?
Inspire the world in 10 seconds.
I'm tired. Inspired.
Inspired. He inspired the world in 10 seconds. More Tremy?